But my overall opinion on this mower is they aren't too bad for the price point. And I mean, the decks are solid. The blade speed could be a little bit higher, but besides that, they run pretty good. What's going on today, guys? It's old man Weiss. I'm out here with my 2023 48-inch Bobcat zt2000, and we're about to do the first maintenance on it. I did a review video. It's probably going on a year ago now, and I haven't done much, really any maintenance on it besides greasing up a couple things and adding a little bit of oil. But I have 117.5 hours on it, and first oil change is supposed to do around 75 hours. So I'm going to show you guys how to change the oil on this. I went and got a filter this morning. It's a little cute oil filter. So we'll get that put on. And to drain the oil, it's fairly easy, guys. I mean, really, all you do is you take this hose right here, you unclip it out of here, get out of there. You just stick it down through here, and you pull your plug right here. Yeah, you just come down here and you twist it out. Oh, it's for extension. Good Lord, this thing's in there tight. I guess also if it's never been drained. There's a little rubber stopper right here. Just pop that back in there like that. It's a little seal. Open up your cap so it drains a little bit better. We'll let this drain out for next couple minutes. But really, I mean, for 117 hours, it's not bad. My review on this mower would say buy one. If you guys need a good, you know, medium duty commercial mower or a good residential mower, go buy a Bobcat. I'm impressed with them. I've been doing lawn care on and off for 20 something years, so pretty good. Your oil filter is located right here, so might as well just take that off right now. That figures it's going to run all over. So we'll get a rag. Oh, you guys can see it. We'll get a rag and wipe that off. Alright guys, we've got the filter off, just like you do on a car. Take a little bit of your new oil, dip your finger on it, put a little bit of oil around your gasket, and screw this baby back on. Now, I'm not sure if you should prime these filters. I mean, it's probably not gonna hurt it, but a lot of it you're gonna spill out because the way these filters are designed, the way they mount. And we'll let the rest of that oil still draining. As you can see, she's still draining out. Blah. So while we're waiting on that, we'll come back here. We'll take this air filter out and we'll blow it out. What do I need? Oh, it's wing nut. Okay, that's cool. That makes it easy. We'll take this air filter out and we'll blow it out. What do I need? Oh, it's wing nut. Okay, that's cool. That makes it easy. Ew. That's about a year's worth of buildup right there. So I'll get this blown out. Got the air compressor over here. It's going to be loud, so I'll get the air compressor cut on, charged up, and then get you guys back on. Sweet. Now we'll put that back on, tighten this back up, put some oil on it, and we'll be good. It could be cleaner, but that's all it's getting for right now. You got your dipstick and your oil fill right here. I guess I probably need to wipe that out. I've got this funnel. Throw a whole quart in. I think it takes like a quart and a half. Well, there's 1 quart. And I'll put a quarter to half of this other quart in here. And then we'll check it. Screw this back on. We'll crank it up for a couple seconds. Let it circulate some oil. Cut it off, check it. Then we got to go cut some grass. Minute or two, we'll check it. We should be good. And I mean, yeah, it's a mower. It gets the job done. But that's my review and my 117-hour service on the Bobcat zt2000. So thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll have more videos and different content coming out. But thank you guys for watching. I'm Old Man Weiss. Have a good day. I'm out.